Hey everybody, welcome back to Advising Class. I'm the advisor, and today we're going to learn how to make a registration plan in Infobear. Hey, the advisor, a registration plan sounds like a great idea, but what is it? Great question, DJ studies a lot. Allow me to explain. A registration plan is a tool that allows you to plan out your schedule by picking the exact sections of each class you want to register for next semester. It's like a shopping cart for school. Wow, I love shopping and school! I'm more excited about this than I was for the births of my second and fourth kids. Okay, DJ studies a lot. We get it. Don't lay it on too thick there, yeah? Oh, sorry. So, next question. Why is a registration plan useful? Well, there are three great things about plans. First, plans are a simple way to put together your schedule for next semester. They make it easy to keep track of classes as you're picking them out from the course search. And they even give you a calendar view that lets you see when your classes meet in relation to each other. Second, your advisor can see the plans that you make. That means when it's time for your advisor to clear you for registration, you can just have them look at your plan in Infobear. Way better than writing everything down on a registration form or typing it all in an email for your advisor to review. And third, you can use your plan to register. Now on registration day, instead of having to look up all the classes you want again, just pull up your plan in Infobear, click a couple of buttons, and that's it. Great reasons, right? Right, so let's dive in. Follow me to Infobear! Alright, we made it! In case you couldn't tell, this is the student profile. Oh my, look at that handsome fellow. Sorry, anyway. You have to log into Infobear to get here. Once you're in, just click the Student tab, then use the Student Profile link. You can access all kinds of great information and resources from the Student Profile, so make sure you know how to get here. If we're going to make a registration plan though, we need to access the Registration menu. Just click the Registration and Planning link. You have a lot of choices in the registration menu. Browse classes, prepare for registration, register for classes, chicken parm. Since we're making a registration plan, we want plan ahead. So come on, click this way. The first thing you need to do is select the term you want to plan for. Use the drop-down menu to do that. You'll usually just be selecting the upcoming term. For me, right now, that's spring 2022. Click Continue when you're ready. Now you're ready to create a new plan. You can save up to 3 plans each semester. Just click Create a New Plan to get started. The first step in creating a registration plan is to look up the classes you want to register for. By the time you get here, you should have already reviewed your degree audit to figure out what classes you should take next semester. If you need help with that part, check in with your academic advisor. One class I want to take next semester is English 102. To start, I'll enter English in the subject field. Then I'll select English from the list of options. Now I'll enter 102 in the course number field. Now I'll click the search button and see what comes up. At first, your results will just show the course as a whole, not the individual available sections. If you want, you can just put the course on your plan. That'll serve as a reminder that you need to take English 102 next semester. The plan is most useful though when you select the specific sections that you want. To see all the sections of a course with all their different days, times, and teachers, click the View Sections button. Ta-da! Now you can see all the different sections you can choose from. Just scroll through the list of results until you find the one that works best for you. I think I like this one, section 009. Once you've found a section you like, click the Add button at the end of the row. A couple of new panels will open up at the bottom of the screen. You should see the class you added to your plan in the lower right panel. In the lower left panel, you'll see a weekly schedule view. This way you can see what your schedule will look like day to day if you register for these classes. You can also use this to make sure you don't register for 2 classes that meet at the same time. So that's how you add a specific class to your plan. But what if you're trying to find something like a core distribution requirement that can be met by a lot of different classes? Well, let's do another search and I'll show you. First, we click the old Catalog Search Results button. Then we click Search again. This time when we search, we're going to do an advanced search. When you click Advanced Search, you get a whole slew of additional filters you can use to get better results. There are lots of options to choose from here, but for now we're going to scroll to the Attribute field. The Attribute field lets you search for all the different kinds of core requirements. Start typing the word core in the field and use the list to select the one you want. let's look for a Fine and Performing Arts class. Just select the Fine and Performing Arts option and click the Search button. When you do that, you'll get a list of classes that count toward the Fine and Performing Arts score. As you can see, there are a whole bunch. Scan through the results and see if you find anything interesting. I think I like this Survey of Global Art 14th Century to Present class. Just like before, I'll click the View Sections button to see when the class is offered next semester. Next, choose a section based on meeting times, teacher, location, or whatever is most important to you. I like this one that meets on Tuesdays and Thursdays at 9:30. Click the Add button and it'll appear down in your summary area just like before. Easy peasy, right? Just repeat those steps until you've built a schedule for yourself. Remember, if you want to be a full-time student, you need at least 12 credits, usually 4 classes, on your schedule. But if you want to be on track to graduate in 4 years, you should aim for 15 credits, or 5 classes. Now, let's skip ahead to what you do once you've got your classes together. So here we are. You've picked out the classes you want, you've added them to your plan, you can see how everything fits together each day. Great! There's just one more step to make it official. It's time to save your plan. Just slide down to the bottom right corner of the window and click the Save Plan button. You'll have to give your plan a name. Don't overthink it, just go with something simple. When you're ready, click Save. You'll know it worked if everything suddenly pops into color and the class status labels change from pending to planned. Looking good. Since you saved your plan, you can leave and come back later, and all your class choices will still be here. So the next time you log into the Plan Ahead section, you'll see this. This overview of your plan lets you see the basic information about the classes you've planned out. If you want to get back to the detailed schedule view, by the way, just click the Edit button over there. Hey, you just made a registration plan. Nice work! Remember, you can save up to 3 plans each semester. After you finish your first plan, it's a good idea to plan out some backup courses in case your first choices aren't available on registration day. So now what? Well, now we recap those 3 reasons why this is useful we mentioned at the start of the show. Number 1, it's an easy way to build your schedule for next semester. I know you agree with me on that. I can hear you nodding. Number 2, your advisor can see your plan too. This is super convenient. Now, instead of filling out a paper form for your advisor to review, just tell them you made a plan and they can check here to clear you to register. Say goodbye to messy paper and pencil forms and fillable PDFs. Number 3, you can use your plan to register for classes. Let me show you what I mean. When you log in on registration day, you'll see a page that looks kind of like this. If you click on the Plans tab up at the top, you'll be able to see your primary plan. Now, if you click the Add All button on the right, it'll add all of your planned courses to your registration queue. Or if you'd prefer to add things one at a time, use the Add buttons next to each individual course. From there, just click Submit and you'll be able to register for everything all at once. Fun, right? Isn't it? Isn't registration planning fun? Sure it's fun! Crazy kids with your meme GIFs and TikTok videos. Probably don't even know what fun is. Grumble, grumble. Alright everybody, that's it from the wide world of advising for today. I hope you learned a little bit about the search and registration system. Now get out there and make some registration plans and have fun!